Again, I am here with some questions from linear equation in one variable class 8. The question is from Brintizer. The question is, find a number whose fifth part increased by 30 is equal to its fourth part decreased by 30. So, it's in the question it's written that we have to find a number. So, let the number be x. Now, according to question, whose fifth part means 1 by 5, and whose is x, because we have taken a number. Whose means the number, and here the number is x, is increased by means plus 30, is equal to means equal to sign, its means the number. Fourth part means 1 by 4. Decrease means minus by 30. So let's solve this question. This will be 1 by 5x plus 30 is equals to x by 40 minus 30. I am going to transpose this to this side. This can be written as x by 5 minus x by 4. This is equals to minus 30. This is as it is, and I am going to transpose this to this side. This is minus 30. Now I am going to take the LCM. This is 4x minus 5x. This is equals to minus 60. So minus x by 20. This is equals to minus 60. Now this can be written as minus x is equals to minus 60 into 20, and we'll get here minus x is equals to minus 120. Minus and minus cancelled out, and we will get that the x is equals to 120. Therefore, the number is 120. So moving on to the second question. The second question is, Raman had 30 flowers. That means the total number of flowers is 30, and I have written here on the board. He offered some flowers in the temple and found that the ratio of remaining flower to the flowers in the beginning is 2:5. So I have written here 2 by 5. Ratio I have written in fraction, that is 2 by 5. And in the last line is, find the number of flowers offered by him in the temple. So it's written कि we have to find the number of flowers offered in the temple. So I am taking it as x. Now I am going to change this into the mathematical form, ratio of remaining flowers. So this is the ratio of remaining flowers. Ratio means I am going to write in the fraction. Remaining flowers is this one. Since he has 30 flowers and he has offered x flowers in the temple, so it's become 30 minus x. And then to the flower in the beginning he has 30 flowers. So I am writing here 30. This is equals to 2 by 5. Now I am going to transpose this 30 to this side, and we'll get here 30 minus x is equals to 2 into 30 by 5. This is 6. That means I can write here 30 minus x is equals to 12. Now I'm going to transpose this 12 to this side and x to this side. We'll get here 30 minus 12 is equals to x. That means 18 is equals to x. And the last line will be, therefore the number of flowers offered in the temple was 18. See the third one. The question is, tens place and ones place digit of two-digit numbers are same. So I have written here, when the number is added to its reverse, the sum is 88. We have to find the number. What is the number? Since it's written the tens place digit and ones place digits are same, so I am writing here, let the tens place digit be x and the ones place digit is also x. We have to find the number. So number is, with the tens place digit we have to multiply 10. With the tens place digit we have to multiply 10. So I will write here 10 into x, plus with ones place digit we have to multiply 1. So 1 into x. Tens place digit we have to multiply 10, that means 10 into x. Ones place digit we have to multiply it by 1. So 1 into x. We will get here 11x, and the reverse number will be, again with ones place digit I will multiply 10, that means 10 into x, plus with tens place digit I will multiply 1. We will get the same number, that is 11x. Now next line is when the number is added to its reverse. The number is this number, the number is added means plus to its reverse is this one. The sum is 88. So let's solve this one. This is 22x is equals to 88, that means x is equals to 88 by 22, that is 4. We have to find the number, so the number is 11x. So I will write here 11 into 4, that is 44. So we'll write here, therefore the number is 44. See this one. Now this is x square minus 9. So I can write this as x square minus 3 square by x plus 3. This is equals to 4 by 7. Now this is an identity. Identity is a square minus b square. So I am going to use the identity here, a minus b and a plus b. Now let's cancel these two. We will get here x minus 3 is equals to 4 by 7. I am going to transpose this minus 3 to this side. So I will get here x is equals to 4 by 7 plus 3. Now I am going to take the LCM. So it will be 4 plus 21 by 7. That means x is equals to 25 by 7. See the next one, that is question number E. Rohan bought a pack of 100 chocolates, that means the total number of chocolate is 100, on his birthday to distribute in his class. After giving 2 chocolates to each student and his class teacher, that means he has given 2 chocolates to his class teacher also, he is left with 10 chocolates. So the number of chocolates left after distribution is 10, and number of chocolates he has distributed, that is 100 minus 10, 90 chocolates. 90 chocolates he has distributed among his classmates and he has given it to the class teacher also. The question is how many students are there in the class. So we'll take here, let the number of students be x. Now he has distributed 2 toffees, 2 chocolates to each student, that means 2 into x, and he has given 2 to his class teacher also, and in total he has distributed 90 chocolates. I am repeating once again, he has given 2 chocolates to each student and 2 chocolates to his class teacher also, and the total number of chocolates he is distributed is 90. Now I am going to solve this one. So we'll get here 2x is equals to 90 minus 2. That means 2x is equals to 88. X is equals to 88 by 2. That is 44. Therefore, the number of students in his class is 44. In the class is 44. That's it.